Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SLUELI car buffer polisher. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: double ball heat resistant pure copper motor. The polishing machine is equipped with a 1600 watts double ball pure copper motor, featuring high-speed rotation, minimized friction, heat-resistant properties, enhanced polishing capability, superior polishing effects, and guaranteed service life and reliability. 6-speed high-speed variable control. The car polishing machine offers 6 speeds ranging from 2800 to 5300 RPM, and each intermediate gear can be utilized, providing a total of 11 speed options. Low speed, 1 to 2, is ideal for waxing and polishing, medium speed, 3 to 4, is suitable for buffing and cleaning, while high speed, 5 to 6, is recommended for removing paint defects and oxidation. Ergonomic design. The rotary buffer is designed with a locking switch to reduce fatigue. Its curved anti-slip soft rubber handle ensures precise handling. Additionally, it comes with 2 detachable handles to cater to different needs. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is versatile applications. The car wax buffer includes 4 types of polishing pads, suitable for a wide array of surfaces such as car, boat, furniture, ceramics, wood, metal, and plastics, for polishing, buffing, waxing, and defect removal. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.